what-if reality could be rewritten in layers. This is the dawn of spatial computing, where digital and physical worlds collide.
It doesn't live in your phone or screen. It surrounds you.
The interface disappears. Your body becomes the controller. Every gesture, every glance, the system sees, understands, reacts.
Extended reality Sklumets, XR Clev, blurs the line between imagination and experience. You no longer look at the world. You live inside it.
Every building, every human, every breath, passion, digitized. Spatial computing transforms perception into programmable space. Every object becomes intelligent. Every moment becomes measurable.
Screen has vanished, but the world has expanded.
We are no longer limited by what our eyes can see. Knowledge no longer comes from books, and it's experienced in space. Creation no longer begins on paper, but in the air around us. When doctors can see through flesh, miracles become measurable. In disaster, information becomes survival.
War shifts from land and sea to perception itself.
The next step isn't XR, it's neural reality.
When machines read emotion, they reshaped experience.
Everyone sees their own truth, layered over one shared earth.
When everyone lives in their own version of reality, who decides what's real?
The future may not divide by class or country, but by perception.
Your moments, your emotions, archived forever in data form.
Even illusions can move the human heart. Architects now build in empty space. Light and code replace concrete and steel.
Spatial overlays guide, warn, and entertain. The city becomes a living interface.
The playground is everywhere sent. Fun no longer confined to screens.
Surgeons see beyond skin, perform with augmented precision, saving lives previously impossible.
Knowledge is no longer read, it is touched, explored, experienced in space. Machines and humans merge in efficiency. Mistakes are reduced, potential maximized. Travel time, relive moments, see the past layered upon today. Everyone can craft their own reality, layering stories atop the real.
Millions occupy the same space but perceive it differently. Reality becomes personal.
Every surface communicates, informing, warning, entertaining, and telling, all at once.
The mind connects directly to digital space, sensing, learning, interacting faster than thought.
Thought and gaze become the interface orbits. Commands obey intention.
Spatial computing links people, cities, and environments into an intelligent network.
Life-saving skills practiced in augmented reality before the first real challenge.
Yet as realities layer, security risks multiply. Digital intrusion becomes physical danger.
When perception is code, crashing reality isn't just digital, it can confuse minds.
Distance disappears. Ideas manifest instantly, tangible in shared augmented spaces.
Expression no longer limited by matter. Imagination sculpts reality.
Ideas can be visualized, shared, and evolved instantly in augmented cognition.
Mistakes made in simulation vanish before ever touching real tissue.
Knowledge becomes accessible to all, anywhere, through layered experiences.
Spatial computing gives everyone a platform. Their vision becomes visible.
Social life isn't on screens anymore to come to we're in. It envelops reality itself.
Physical limits fade. The virtual blends seamlessly into our world. Our cities, homes, and parks, all programmable, layered, alive.
Shopping becomes interactive theater, personalized, immersive, and real-time. See how history unfolded, overlaid on the present, every moment tangible.
Knowledge transcends borders, Tajay. Collaboration exists in shared augmented space.
Technology not only informs, but heals. Augmented calm restores balance.
Modes respond, warn, and guide. Commuting evolves into predictive interaction.
Athletes see paths, angles, and forces invisible to naked eyes. Plant, optimizing every move.
Climate data comes alive. Reality educates, informs, and inspires action.
As we layer reality, the risks multiply. What breaks the system may confuse the mind.
Augmented coordination turns chaos into strategy. Every second counts.
Music, light, and motion converge preparing. Audience.
Humanity prepares for the stars, first in simulated, then in real space.
See the mind as never before. Build, test, and optimize reality before touching it. The twin predicts the future. Skills perfected in layers of reality. After that, mistakes remain virtual.
Distance disappears. Friends meet in augmented spaces beyond geography.
Layers of imagination converge boy, a single vision enhanced by many minds. Emotions become tangible dip. Therapy transforms through spatial experience.
Past, present, future feigned. Layered, accessible, interactive. Virtual and real fuse vet. Exploration begins where imagination ends.
Spatial computing links minds, machines, and cities. Reality becomes a network. The planet breathes as one, every layer contributing to shared intelligence.
Thought, vision, action round, extended by technology, accelerating evolution itself. Frontier is explored responsibly. Augmented reality meets enhanced mind. Cities, minds, and machines converge. A dawn of spatial intelligence. Understanding the spatial world. One augmented moment at a time.